Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to mute a word on X, on Twitter. And the first step is go to the application of X. And here in your feed, you need to go to the superior left corner in the option of your bubble. You need to pick here. And after that, you need to go to the option of Settings and Super. And here you need to pick in the button of the right side of the option of Settings and Super. And here you got two options, Settings and Privacy and Help Center. So here you need to go to the Settings and Privacy. And here you need to pick here in the option of Privacy and Safety. And in these options, you need to pick in the option of Mute and Block. And you pick here in Mute Words. So the only thing you need to do is pick here and go get it. And search the word you want to mute in your application of X. So remember, mute and block in the privacy and safety, in settings and super and privacy in the option of the bar of their profile of your profile. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.